Hello YouTube, this is Multi777X, and today I have an unboxing of the Logitech Extreme 3D Pro Joystick from Amazon. I know most of you are aviation viewers, but this is for my technology viewers. I bought this joystick for Minecraft Next Plane. But anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. I have my trusty handy tools right there. And let's open the box. It comes in this rather big box from Amazon. It just got delivered by UPS. And let's open this. There you go. Sorry about that. Just getting a quick cardboard and throw that on the floor, and here's the actual joystick. So here it is, the Logitech Extreme 3D Pro joystick. So yeah, let's just quickly take a look at the box. Logitech, a picture of the joystick. Extreme 3D Pro. Logitech Extreme 3D Pro. Precision fight stick. What's in the box? We will need, and then this says it in lots of different other languages. And then this shows the features. Logitech Extreme 3D Pro. Rapid fire trigger. 8-way hat switch. Comfortable hand grip. 12 programmable buttons. Stable weighted base. And precision engineered twist rudder control. Another picture of it. And we're back to the side. Nothing on the bottom. Let's open this up. One piece of tape holding it down. So the first thing you get is the actual joystick. There's the joystick. See what's else in the box. And the only other thing is this manual. So I'll throw the box away because we don't need that now. Our main focus is on the actual joystick. So here it is. A bit bigger than I thought it would be. A bit heavier. Don't need that either. Just untangle this. Just quickly untangle it. There's a little cap on the joystick. On the USB. I believe this is USB 2.0. Seems like a really nice joystick. Zoom out a little bit. So you got some buttons. And on the actual stick, you have a few more buttons too, 4 of them. And then we have this manual, I'm guessing. Let's quickly open this up. Logitech Quick Start Guide. Take a look at this. Thank you. It says thank you in lots of different languages. And then there's the instructions. Number 1, go to the website. Number 2, connect it to your computer, into your USB port. And that's about it. Please stay tuned for my setup video of the Logitech Extreme 3D Pro joystick. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.